everybody. Welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. How are you doing, Betty? You're doing good. Did you see how well and how hard the Year 6 children worked this week on their science test? You did. I know. I saw you peeking in when they were taking the test, but she was very quiet, and Year 6s never even noticed. Well done to all of our Year 6s. But it's time for us to give awards for the whole school, Betty. Yes. Okay, you know what to do, don't you? Yep, you need to sit over there. All right, here we go. Now, first we have our Going for Gold awards. In Lead's class, we have Amelia for counting the flowers, saying one number for each item. We also have Evie for always tidying up without having to be asked. In York class, we have Daniel for using his maths knowledge to add 2 parts to make a whole. And Kobe for subsidizing up to 4. In whole class, we have Anaya for practicing writing her letters and D correctly. We also have Zach for working so hard to write sentences by himself. In Nottingham, we have Ruby for a great team effort when practicing the relay races, and Harrison for trying really hard to jump over the hurdles. In the Liverpool class, we have Isaac for super maths work, and Susanna K for always doing the right choice and working hard. In Cardiff class, we have George for working well with others when decorating the Shadow Puppet Theater, and Lilia for working hard to decorate her Shadow Puppet Theater. In Edinburgh class, we have Katie for writing an imaginative diary entry for Thus and the Minotaur. In Edinburgh, we also have Dorsey for an improvement in her writing this week. In Cambridge class, we have Kristen for being a good team member in PE this week, and Madison for some beautiful detail writing in English. In London class, we have Fraser for persevering with his science work, and Ethan for showing a good understanding of the fraction work we have been doing. In Oxford class, this won't be a surprise. It goes to all of Oxford class for working really hard and maintaining a positive attitude during SATS week. In Lincoln class, we have Benji for making amazing progress with his speech. And in Chester class, we have Jake and Riley. That is for working really hard and maintaining that positive attitude during SATS week. Well done to all those children. Let's give them a big clap. Well done. Now we have our Year Being Healthy awards. Let's see who we have this week. First, in Lead's class, we have Erin for climbing and balancing with confidence, and Annalise for being creative at home. In York class, we have Natan for fantastic concentration and perseverance when making a collage snail, and Olivia for fantastic concentration and perseverance as well when making a collage snail. In Hall class, we have Liliana for eating all of her healthy carrots, and Sam for developing his throwing skills in PE. In Nottingham class, we have Archie for fantastic work in maths on fractions, and Daisy for super speedy reading. In Liverpool class, we have Leland for joining in with indoor PE, and Susanna G and Susanna N for super jumping and landing skills in indoor PE. In Cardiff class, we have Lexi W for being active at break times, and Jack for trying hard in tennis. In Edinburgh class, we have Kristen for working hard on a new intervention to keep a healthy mind and body, and Sienna for being a kind friend when she accidentally hurt someone. In Cambridge class, we have Tilly for persevering in maths when fractions became tricky, and David for showing good listening and learning in maths. In London class, we have Poppy for showing understanding towards a classmate, and Warren for super effort in handball for impressing the coach. In Oxford class, we have Molly for being really helpful to other pupils when using the laptops, and Marta for being really helpful to other pupils when using the laptops as well. In Lincoln class, we have Kobe for making great progress on the bikes during outdoor learning. Well done to all of our children at Newlands, those that received awards and those that maybe didn't get a mention today. I've seen what fantastic work you have been doing, and your teachers are very proud, as I am. Well done to everyone. I want everyone to have a really nice weekend. We have a busy week next week, lots of learning and fantastic things to do. Have a good one. We'll see you on Monday.